Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress.
Welcome back, my naturals. Today is self-care day, hair care day. Yay! So I have begged my sister, guys, to send me my kinky curly crochet from Y Wigs that I used before here, because guess what? I have been struggling in Alaska, okay? I've been struggling, but we're going to be installing that today, and I'm so excited. So I'm going to start with freshly washed hair. I'm going to blow it out, and you're going to see me do a little braid pattern. And guys, guess what? You don't have to do a perfect braid pattern to have a nice crochet install. All you need is something to hook it onto, you know? And guess what? No one sees that braid pattern anyway. All the curls, they cover it, okay? So you guys, if you are thinking to try this style, try it, okay? All right, guys, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. Come on, subscribe and like this video and comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon. So that last clip that you saw was probably me a week ago doing my crochet install, and it came out really good. I do not like this texture over here because it's so high maintenance, but it is my texture of hair. So that last clip that you saw, it was me finishing the crochet install, but I didn't show you how I styled it. So I kind of wanted to show you what I use to revamp my curls, how to blend my short leave out. Like, look at that, guys. Look at that. I mean, it's growing, but it's still like not like, how am I blending that, right? Or how am I making the curls pop? What am I using? So today is the day where I'm going to show you what it looks like, how to make everything all looking fresh and juicy and curly and presentable, okay? We want to look presentable when we go out in public. So join me, come along with me as I get myself together, basically. As I get myself together. Okay, so this is what I'm using. Do I like this product? Some people may like it. I don't use it. I use Talia Wajid Curly Cream. They really get your curls popping no matter what level you are on. 3A, 3B, C, D, E, F, G. They get it popping, but not this. But this is what I have in Alaska. So this is what I have to use. I am going to Anchorage, guys, this weekend, and they have hair stores in Anchorage, so I'm going to pop in. I don't care if it's in the hood. I'm going, and I'm going to get some braid in here. I'm going to get a whole couple things, and maybe they have a Talia Wajid. I'm curious to know what's in Alaska for black girls to do their hair and to maintain their hair, so we'll see. I'm going to go check that out this weekend. I'm also using, I brought this from home, my Edge Booster. And I'm also using my Eco Styling Gel. Gotta have that. And that's pretty much it. You want like a brush. And you want, where is it? Just like a detangling brush too. I live by this. But yeah, let's get to it. my first piece, right? So the main thing I'm going to be doing is taking my nice little edge booster, and I'm going to try to like do like a little 2-strand twist. Now, when you 2-strand twist it, it's not going to stay forever. Like, it's not going to be like twisties. Like, it's not. So, take a little piece, and we're going to just twist it a little bit. Move out the way here. Twist it a little bit, and then we're going to just end up like rolling it, rolling it, rolling it. So look at that. Not that piece, I'm leaving that out, but look at that. And you're gonna do that for your entire leave out until you're done. Because again, I do that because I don't wanna have those short pieces stick out. In the front is fine because it gives that little natural look that that I'm looking for, but on top, it just doesn't look right to me. So that's why I do it like that. So continue to watch the video as I blend, and we'll see how it turns out. I am going to lay my edges down with the edge booster, and we're going to come back on here with the finished look, girl. Okay. The final look. Look at the curls. Look at the leave out. Look at the back. It's giving something, right? It's so good to like learn how to do your hair on your own. Like, imagine I am in Alaska and I'm still trying to like, and I can maintain my own hair. How cool is that? I'm not looking for hair salons. I am looking for hair stores, but I'm not looking for hair salons to like maintain my look. But yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm loving it. Again, you don't want to do too much like putting your hands through your hair with this type of hair, because it'll get bigger and bigger. It'll grow and grow and grow. And next thing you know, you'll have an afro like this. But I like it like just like this, kind of like tamed a little bit. But I love this style. I probably won't keep it in for that long, like I said before, because it's high maintenance and sometimes I gotta wake up and go. And this is not a wake up and go hairstyle. But guys, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Welcome to the Natural Fam. And for those who actually subscribed within the last week, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm happy you're here. Comment down below. And thank you for joining the Natural Fam. Okay, guys, see you soon. Signing out from Alaska, Hair Edition. Bye, Natural.